In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find shipping products on Taobao. First, open your web browser and go to taobao.com. If the site appears in Chinese, that's normal. On Chrome, you can right-click anywhere on the page and choose Translate to English, so the interface is easier to understand. Keep the original Chinese labels visible when possible, since some buttons and filters are easiest to recognize by their native text. Next, log into your Taobao account. Click the Donglu button at the top right. You can sign in with your password or use the QR code option with the Taobao mobile app. Once you're in, you'll see the search bar at the top of the page. Type the kind of product you're looking for, like shoes, bags, anime figure, or home decor. If you have a picture of the item you want, click the little camera icon to try image search. That can be especially helpful for visual matches when you don't know the exact keywords in Chinese. Now filter for items that can ship internationally. Not every seller ships to the Philippines by default, so this step is important. Look on the left side for filters such as Kuajing Wu Liu, which means cross-border logistics, or Quanqiu Go, also known as global shopping. If your page is translated, the same filters may appear as cross-border shipping, ships overseas, or international delivery. Click one of these to narrow your results to items eligible for Taobao global shipping. Open a product that catches your eye and scroll down to the shipping section, labeled Pay Song. Here, check for phrases like ship to overseas, ships to Philippines, or send to consolidation warehouse, which appears as Guanfang Jiyun. When you see Guanfang Jiyun, it means the seller can send your order to Taobao's official warehouse, and from there you can forward it to the Philippines using Taobao consolidated shipping. This is the most common method used by buyers in PH because it's reliable and cost-efficient for multiple items. Before adding to cart, confirm the seller allows warehouse delivery. Look for Ziqi Jiyun or Ziqi Guanfang Jiyun. If you see either, you're good to go. Add the item to your cart by clicking Jia Rugo Wu Che. When you're ready, go to your cart, select your items, and click Jiesuan to proceed to checkout. On the checkout page, choose Ship to Consolidation Warehouse, which is usually recommended, or select Direct International Shipping if it's available for that item. With consolidation, you'll pay the domestic shipping to the warehouse first, then confirm international shipping from the warehouse to the Philippines after your parcels arrive and are combined. Review the options carefully, and you're set to place your order.